Today we have a patient from Nigeria. Let's listen what he has to say about the technique of smart FUE.
Right back in my country, I'm always like, when I wake up in the morning, I'm like, when I look at my hairline, I'm never pleased, to be sincere. And I always like, how am I gonna get this done? How am I gonna get this done? Like, you know, so I went online and I saw Dr. Jazz, and I went on YouTube. Then from there, I saw his job. I went through it, and I'm like, okay, let me give it a try. So I was able to come down to his office. After a few explanation and all that, I had to give it a try. And then this is me today. I'm so happy with the job they have done for me. And as far as you can see, I can say I'm the most happiest person in the world right now.